Hi there. In this video I'm teaching you the question form of the present continuous tense and where to double the last letter when adding ing, and the comparison with the simple present tense and the present continuous tense, and a new comment. Right. Dig, swim, run, cut. If a short verb, the verb must be short. Dig, swim, run, cut. Ends in gmnt. That means the verb must be short. The last letter must be gmnot with a short vowel sound before it. That means when you take this verb, sound ud, e, ug, us, of, e, r, a, n, ug, a, ut. The verb be short, the last letter is G. The sound before the last is a short vowel sound. Dig, this is not dig. Short vowel sound means short, not long. A, E, U, A, they are long vowel sound. Short means A, O, A, they are short vowel sounds. Again, the verb must be short, ends in gmnot with a short vowel sound before the last letter. Then what's happening? When you are adding ing, the last letter of the verb becomes double. Dig, another G, digging. Swim, another M, swimming. Run, another N, running. Cut, another T, cutting. What's the reason? Short verb ends in gmnt with a short vowel sound before it. This is the usual way. There are some, and also you can say gmntp. Letter P also is almost the same, like stop, stopping ing, hop, hopping ing. But these rules are not followed by Americans. In American English, you can't see this doubling system because in my opinion, that is because they don't have short vowel sounds, right? In American English, everywhere they have stress. They stress dig, swim, run, cut. I'll teach you step by step. Remember for now this song. And exceptions I taught you in English. There is an exception for every rule in English. These verbs, quarrel, travel, forgot, begin, cancel. In these words also, the last letter becomes double. These are against this. I mean, these are not going parallel with this rule, right? But shall we say the short verb, but here they are not short verbs. It is said that the last syllable is taken for this rule. We don't want to worry about this one because this one, roll, will, get, gin, sell, they are like this, short verbs. We just forget about it. Just remember these things. We just remember, that's all. And this is the usual rule. I'm telling you again, the verb must be short. The verb must end in gmnot with a short vowel sound before it. That's the regular rule. This one, another thing to remember, if the verb ends in E, there is no exception, easy to remember. If the verb ends in E, when adding ing, you just have to eliminate. Just drop it. There is no E. driveing. Actually, in this case, you don't have any exception. Just to remember, wherever you find E, just drop it and ing. Okay? In this case, there are two E's at the end. Here 1 E, here 2 E's. What are we going to do here? Here we are not changing anything. We are not dropping anything, just write as they are. Double E, we are not changing. Got it? Now let's go to our main lesson, the question form, the present continuous tense. These are the sentences from our positive form. I'm eating, we are eating, she's eating. We already know that, but we are going to do is to take the helping verb before the subject. I am becomes am I. She is she. Structure, our positive form we used to have subject be verb ing. We just took this be verb before the subject. So subject is in the middle now. Be verb, subject, verb plus ing. I am became am I. We are we. She is she. Let's read. Am I eating? Are we eating? Are you eating? Are they eating? Are the girls eating? Are the boys eating? Are the dogs eating? Is she eating? Is he eating? Is it eating? Is the girl eating? Is the boy eating? Is the dog eating? Another example. Learning. Am I learning? Are we learning? Are you learning? Are they learning? Are the girls learning? Are the boys learning? Are the dogs learning? Is she learning? Is he learning? Is it learning? Is the girl learning? Is the boy learning? Is the dog learning? Okay, simple. Now let's compare present simple and present continuous. Can you remember? Do I eat? Am I eating? Do we eat? Are we eating? Do you eat? Are you eating? Do they eat? Are they eating? Do girls eat? No, are the girls eating? Do boys eat? Are the boys eating? Do dogs eat? Are the dogs eating? Does she eat? Is she eating? Does he eat? Is he eating? Does it eat? Is it eating? Does the girl eat? Is the girl eating? Does the boy eat? Is the boy eating? Does the dog eat? Is the dog eating? Right now, let's go to the comment. I don't agree. I disagree. I don't think so. It's impossible. You must be joking. You must be kidding. Both are the same, almost the same. I don't agree. I don't agree. I don't agree. I disagree. I disagree. I disagree. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. It's impossible. It's impossible. It's impossible. It's impossible. Possible. Possible. Americans. Possible. It's impossible. It's impossible. British. You must be joking. You must be joking. You must be joking. You must be kidding. You must be kidding. You must be kidding. I don't agree. I disagree. I disagree. I disagree. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. It's impossible. It's impossible. You must be joking. You must be joking. You must be joking. You must be kidding. You must be kidding. You must be kidding. There's a video for your listening skill. Don't forget that. Okay. I'll catch you soon.